Well, US markets have rebounded today to break a three-day losing streak on some relative calm in emerging markets, while corporate earnings have also improved. Now we're joined by Matt Cheslock of Virtue Financial. Matt, we saw Apple's stock down sharply today after they reported yesterday. Facebook has been doing well today and they report after the closing bell. Do you expect any surprises from Facebook or any of the other big tech names?
No, I think, as a whole, Apple's been more of an outlier than anything else. We saw Netflix as another one that reported great earnings. That's up another $22 today. So you got to keep your eye on it. It's all about margins right now. Netflix was able to say that they're going to increase their margins. Apple said they were worried about their margins. So if Facebook can monetize their users, I think that will provide a pop in the stock.
And of course, we've got the Fed's big decision on whether or not it will further cut its stimulus program tomorrow. What do you expect there, given what's happened in emerging markets over the past few days?
Well, they said that's not going to be consideration of what emerging markets are doing. They've said all along that employment here in this country was going to be first and foremost, but also there's hints about them ending QE3 by October. So if they're going to do that, they're going to have to be aggressive in what they're doing as far as the tapering goes, and there's no reason not to stop now. I think that's why the market's been a little weak over the last few days.
And just finally, we had a jump in the VIX last week. Things have calmed down a bit now. What kind of potential is there for the VIX to jump yet again on, say, emerging market VIX?
Well, remember the VIX back in 2008, 2009, it was very volatile. Is it emerging markets that's going to be the leader? I'm not sure, but that's certainly the headline. We saw how volatile it can get, how quickly it can get. So if we don't have earnings to rely on and we don't have any QE to back us up, emerging markets could and will take a forefront.
Okay, thank you, Matt. That was Matt Cheslock from Virtue Financial, and I'm Jane Sell for The Street.